Okay guys, this is the fourth Arduino project. I'm doing this a little bit after I did the third one. And it's basically the same thing as the moonlight LED that I just did, except with a little addition. As if you look here, I have an IR receiver, and in my hand, I have a remote. So, what I've done is I've hooked up the buttons on this remote. They send in to the serial communicator on the Arduino different hex codes. So this play button sends in a hex code that when it's inputted, the Arduino will sense, oh, this hex code is inputted, and it will do the code that I've inputted. And so this particular button will turn the mood light on and turn the mood light off. And I'll give you a demonstration of that right now. Obviously can't see anything right now. I don't know if you can really see my hand, but like I'll try to, you can see the buttons a little bit. This is the play button right here, the middle one. So then I'll click it. There you go. The mood light's on. And click it again, turns off. And let's let it go again. I don't know why it's doing that weird thing, but at least it works. I think I must have messed up the code a little bit. But yeah, that is the code, and I guess I'll show you what the actual code is. Let me turn back on the light. Okay, so the code is, oh, that's a serial. Actually, I might as well demonstrate this now too. Whenever I click a button on the remote, it will play something like power button. I mean, you know what, actually, probably should have made the power button the thing that turns on and off the thing, but I can change that anyways. And obviously when I press the play button, then it will output play and pause. So that is the code there. If you look here, this is the code that is in the IR. So you can see, again, this is all from the Lego tutorial because I'm using this series as a way for me to learn Arduino as well. So you can look at the code here. Again, what it's doing here is you have a function that takes a switch of the what do you call it? Like the whatever the IR inputs, right? So if the hexadecimal, like they know what the hexadecimals are, and so you just put the hexadecimals here, put the code here, so it'll print this and blah blah blah. Here what happens is that it turns mood light on to its opposite. So like if it was on, then it turns it off. If it's off, then it turns it on. And yeah, that's the code, and this is all the code from the last thing. Don't forget guys, you can also download the code in the description. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.